It's good to go back and revisit your updates, whatever you studied earlier, and that too, you're getting a good opportunity to learn from the topmost experts from IIT Madras.
So the clarity what they made in the subjects, really being academician, I am also teaching, but the way they teach, the methodology they adopt, from the feedback, they supplement all these things with a lot of case studies and examples. That is very useful for the people who are really encountered in the field.
Because of this course, I'm able to explore the other fields, and also even in the economical division as well, which I may have a little experience or not, but in the construction planning management, we always use for optimization, and also the NDT testings are not that very vividly explained anywhere in institutes or somewhere. So this is a kind of a new eye-opener for me.
Lots of learnings means these lectures are not like that ki it is not kind of theoretical, means you cannot say ki lots of concepts, lots of definitions, professors are relating everything practically at site, so that is quite interesting. It's very much interesting. As a working professionals, first we might be we have that fear, like we will not going to complete this course along with our job, but this is not like that. Means yes, for first few modules or first few lectures it is really very difficult, but if you go on through that, if you really listen all those lectures well, then it will be like habit. It will be kind of addiction, means you want to listen all those lectures, you want to listen next lecture also. So you just need to enroll yourself for this course, and you need to complete this. Means for first few lectures it is difficult, but after that you can continue. That is not.
See, the good thing is actually there are the recorded sessions. So for the working professionals, it is very difficult to attend a full-time thing, sir. So it's very important that you should have that flexibility in the course. The advantage of this flexibility in the course is daily you have to see the session, watch the videos for 45 minutes and things, which you can do it during your travel time also, and you can just practice it once you are back to home. But minimum 1 hour per day commitment is more than enough for doing such thing. And advantages also is like even the exams and all those things are MCQ type, so it's easy for the working professionals to attend it. And all these videos, recorded videos, you can watch it during your weekend times, and that flexibility helped a lot for the working professional to manage the work as well as their education. That's a major advantage I feel this course has. In this particular course, actually, it's more related with the execution side, not the theoretical part. So that makes a big difference too. It connects well with the people who's working professional when they're attending this course. And that too, actually, they are the experienced professors from IIT Madras. So we are learning from them. So they are sharing their experience, and as well as we are having a good connect also with the teams who have attended. Most of the people who have attended the course are seasoned experts in the industry, construction industry also. So that helped a lot to have good connect as well as with the IIT professors as well.
Clarity what they made in the subjects, really being academician, I am also teaching, but the way they teach, the methodology they adopt, from the feedback, they supplement all these things with a lot of case studies and examples. That is very useful for the people who are really encountered in the field. That is my point. They organize in a very systematic way, and the coherence also, the conjunction between the first module and the second module, and the second module, the third module, and it's all coming in here like a thread. So if you study the first one, that will be useful for the second one. If you are familiar with the second one, that can be useful for third one. So that is the way they well organized.
So presuming I am the youngest from everyone that talked about, I just graduated in the month of August 2024. So doing this course was simultaneously doing my degree. I could relate to a few subjects, basically cost specification and estimation. What I learned from this course, I was easily able to relate in the class itself. So when sir was teaching, he was quite surprised when I was able to easily grasp the concept and then revert back with all the solutions and stuff. So one thing I'd like to say is being involved in this whole IIT Madras of with any capacity is quite a achievement, I'd say. Initially it was a little hard, but then when I tried to schedule parts by parts, it got quite convenient, so I quite enjoyed it through. So the whole transition, the level of learning was quite different, more of a theoretical approach back home. Here it was more of practical applications involving case studies. So I'd say there was a gradual change. So it was a whole different experience, I'd say.
And I'm also a new mom. My son is like 1 year old now, but when I started the course, he was just 6 months old. The time which I get to do all these courses was either early in the morning or during late nights. Sometimes I feel tired. So it was really difficult. I was able to gain more knowledge with related to the contract documents related things, because as I'm in planning engineer, there are like I need to go through all the contract documents to deal with client, to with the vendor, with the contractors. So the contract part, that module was very much helpful. Other than this, the economics part was very much useful to me. That was really new to me. I feel much confident whenever I speak with my manager about any of the technical or contract part. I know what it is. Even we both are not on the same page. I will be very much confident that no, this is what it is. And the confidence which I got from this course is what I have gained from here, and obviously the knowledge.